Going to meet our friends first, and yeah, I think this episode just gonna be riding at night, and then we go somewhere for dinner, so we'll see how it goes.
Ojol tadi salah caranya belok, nggak gitu caranya. Ojol tadi nggak boleh. Bisa salah cara kamu belok.
Well, the crash wasn't too bad. It could have been worse. But I just want him to understand that mistake he made was so dangerous, not just for him, but for others too. He looked like he was still in shock, so I told him to sit down and calm down first. We can figure things out properly. He's on a brand new bike. The plate number isn't even out yet. And somehow not a single scratch. I just feel bad for my friend. He really take care of his bike. So yeah, it's frustrating when something like this happen because of inexperienced rider. I don't know if we're still going for a ride, but I think right now they want to go to the workshop to see how much it's gonna cost, and the guy said he don't have money anyway, so they still, I don't know what to do in here. They don't have insurance in here.
Halo,
Halo bro.
abang mau luka?
think right now they're just talking about just checking the price, how much it's gonna cost, and then they will figure out from there.
Dia langsung bongkar sekarang permission ya Pak?
So you actually have to leave his bike in here. After they talked about the cost, my friend fairly held on to his ID. They agreed to meet again tomorrow to settle everything. We just went out for dinner with the group and then just back to a friend's place just to chill for a bit. So we just ended up in one of their friends' place. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video, guys. Ride safe, take care, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out. First time I thought it was a workshop before.